Everybody, it's our first taste test for Halloween 2023, and I know you're thinking it's probably early, but it's not because we just found the Fanta. What's the Fanta Halloween soda? Let's see what flavor we think it is. All right, Taylor, you want to open that up for him? Lainey, what happened to you? What are you supposed to be? Zombie? What happened to you, Braden?
I get hit in the face with a shovel.
Ouch. All right. Let's see here. And it's very dark. It's black. Maybe a hint of purplishness.
Might be great.
All right, give it a try. Let's see what y'all think it is. I'm gonna see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like jelly beans or something.
Smells like Skittles and tastes like cherry Jolly Ranchers.
I think it smells like nerds.
Tastes like grape nerds, yeah.
Ooh,
Like,
that's very sweet. Definitely
that
tastes like candy.
strawberries.
Strawberries? Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna be buying a lot of this. Kind of grape soda with
With a hint of like,
Skittles.
yeah.
I don't know.
Nerds.
Nerds. I
Yeah.
think you nailed it.
Tastes like nerds. Strawberry nerds.
No, grape nerds.
Grape.
Fanta. We're calling it Grape Nerds. Till next time. Happy Halloween.